We'll go to the second question. So, draw the front, top and right side view of a cone of base diameter 40 mm and altitude of 45 mm when its base kept parallel to the wall. So, when the base is kept parallel to the wall, so we have to draw the cone. So, here also the true base shape is seen in the front view. So, in the front view only we will able to see the base, base shape. So, we'll move on to AutoCAD. So AutoCAD. So here in the AutoCAD, it is in 2D drafting. Okay. So 2D drafting. So here, customize quick access toolbar in this workspace. So in this, you have to change it to 3D modeling. 3D modeling. Now units. So okay. Next limits 0, 0. Next 297, 210. Enter. Next zoom all over. Now this time we have to draw the cone, and here again front view, cone, what is the dimensions of cone, 40 mm diameter and height 45. So, center, so diameter, so height is 45, diameter 40, enter. Now height it is 45. Now cone is made. So cone is made in conceptual. You can see this is conceptual. If you want shaded with edges, will get shaded with edges. Okay. So 2D wireframe, front view, top view. Okay. So this is the view we are getting. So now in the layout, we have to take this model to the layout, first angle projection. Okay. Base, model space, select the entire model, enter. So layout 1, in layout 1. So front view, enter. This is left hand side view and isometric. Okay. So I think in the question they have asked front, top and right side view. So we have made only the left hand side view. So again we will go to the model, model base, model space. Okay. So select the model, enter. Now we'll create a layout 6.2, enter. So 6.2 will, so because they are asking to draw right hand side view, so we need space here. So I will click here, enter. Now right side view, that's the answer. Okay. So we have got the answer for second problem. Thank you. To do the naming all the other parts.